Hey YouTubers, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can repair your AC to DC chargers for charging your phone or charging your iPod or whatever by simply repairing and replacing the single input inductor on the board here. So let's go through what I've done here and we'll take some measurements and get some testing done here. So this device here is just a simple Samsung travel adapter with an input range of 100 to 240 volts and 50-60 Hertz frequency at 0.15 amps, which is 150 milliamps, and it has an output range of 5 volts to 700 milliamps, which gives us approximately 3.6 watts in total power. So initially, upon measurement, using the original inductor here, the board was only outputting approximately 2 volts, which is simply not enough for charging any devices really. So I've gone ahead and removed that and replaced it with this simple stock inductor here, and that has corrected the output voltage range to approximately 5.1 volts, which is much better in terms of functionality and general use for AC to DC chargers. Alright, so here I've got the adapter hooked up here to the multimeter, and we have a output reading of 5.12 volts there, which is very good. So here I went ahead and connected my phone to the charger here by installing a micro USB connector, and as you can see we have a successful charge. The charging rate is going up by 1% every 50 seconds to a minute. So yeah, this is a successful repair and successful testing. This charger should last for quite a long time. It really goes to show how one single component can make such a big difference in terms of functionality and actually using your electronics the way they're intended. Alright, so here you can see the battery details on my phone. That's my 22-hour history, 24 minutes and 57 seconds on battery. And you see a nice discharge curve, steady curve all the way down, and it drops quite substantially once it starts getting a bit low there, and then it jumps right back up. Nice slant there. It's not too sharp, it's a little sharp, but it's alright. There is a little bit of heat waste as a result of this type of charger after a few minutes of operation, but it gets cool over time here. So yeah, we're at 100% here essentially.